Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make corn soup step by step. Start by prepping corn and aromatics now, and heat your stock to a simmer. Work on chopping onions and garlic finely while the stock warms. Taste as you go and adjust salt and pepper to balance sweetness. Keep a ladle handy for blending in batches or for serving directly from the pot when it reaches desired texture. Begin by removing kernels from the cobs and saving the cobs for steeping if you want extra corn flavor. Heat a tablespoon of butter or oil, then sweat the minced onion and garlic gently until translucent. Add the kernels and stir to coat, letting them sizzle briefly to release sweetness. Pour in 4 cups of stock and bring everything gently to a simmer so flavors begin to meld. Simmer the corn and stock together for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the kernels to become tender and the liquid to take on sweet corn flavor. Remove cobs if used, then ladle the mixture into a blender or use an immersion blender to puree to your preferred consistency. Stir in a splash of cream or milk for silkiness, then taste and season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon if you like brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.